Hello everyone, this is Shrikant Rajan. Welcome back to the Market Pulse video where we discuss what's happening in the market and what could be expected in the upcoming week. Well, I know the location is absolutely not the right place to be doing this video, but then the lighting is bad, sound I hope is okay at least. Well, but at least I thought it's informative. It's important to share the information rather than looking at my video background or anything else for now, because well, I'm not at my office, and like I told you, I was traveling and I was back last night in Bangalore, but yet not in my office. So, and office also we had some issue, and things have got sorted out there. It looks like so, everything should be back to normal from tomorrow morning. So until then, I thought better to give the information than staying away. So of course, this entire week I could not do a podcast because of multiple things like some challenges at the office and of course my travel plans. And now things should be back to normal from tomorrow. But by then it was of course a very active week. If you look at the kind of week that was, absolutely crazy times in the market. Market was like going all the way up as if there was no downside till Friday, and on Friday there was a big fall as if there was no more up and was just down. Now this is kind of looking scary to a lot of people, and people are thinking what to do. But then let me tell you one very important thing: all those members who have invested through us MPI family are sure to be in profit, and those who were investing on a regular basis on SIP mode are sure to be sitting with some good profit. So this is why always I say investing is the best and easiest game to make money. So just long-term investment, I'm sure all of them are looking great. This volatility and crazy market moves doesn't matter at all, and you just make money. So well, that is exactly where we help you to select the right investment portfolio. Well, it is not the stock market. We also help with real estate, gold and silver, the commodities basically, and also debt funds. So with all that, of course, that's something about MPA family. But then coming back to markets, so markets last week had a tough time, majorly because there was this bad news from for Kotak that they were stopped from onboarding new customers for the credit cards. Now this was something similar to what happened with HDFC Bank a few years back. So well, I don't think it would be a major thing to worry at this point of time. But there is incidentally the Kotak Bank results have also come day first today. Yesterday or day first today? Okay, of course over the weekend after the markets closed. So that was actually positive. There were profits have actually grown 18% year on year. So that should be kind of taking some support there from the big fall that has happened. In fact, I think even hit the lower circuit, right? So that was kind of keeping the banks away. And now, after in the markets close, we could also see the US markets rallying up and closing with a big high. So overall, markets have kind of turned a total opposite direction, and that is kind of showing on the gift nifty as well. We might see maybe 100 plus point gap up tomorrow morning. Don't be surprised if it is more than 100 points, but yes, that's how markets are. So at this point of time, every time the market has fallen, rallied up. This time, will it rally up to 23,000 is the question. However, that's not important to us. 23,000 is just a number. Once it hits 23,000, 24,000 becomes the next target. Simple as that. But as far as our investment is concerned, I don't see any weakness in the market at this point of time. So over the longer term period, I absolutely am bullish about the market, and that's exactly why I am continuing to be stay invested. But of course, does not mean I'm 100% invested in equity at this point of time. I'm definitely not 100% invested. I have my own asset allocation and portfolio allocation done, which is done for all our MPA family members, and that is kind of taking care of our investments at this point of time. And coming to this week, again, we don't have any other major news. So at this point of time, we are looking out forward from cues from global markets, and that will kind of drive the markets for now. However, Indian markets will only catch directions. My expectation is after election only. So I would say at this point of time, SIP members can actually continue, but then other investors who are looking for lump sum, you need to distribute your investments, and that's exactly why we are helping you here. You can schedule a meeting with us at mpiinvest.com, and we will help you, manage your investments. So that's it for now. And this week, like I said, there's not going to be any major events. So looks like markets can only be volatile within this period. However, May has started, and May I'm expecting the markets to kind of be volatile and range bound. So that means not expecting big movements. So on the lower side, I would be watching 22,500 on the downside. as a support. But the way the markets have actually fallen on Friday, 20 to 200 was also a good support. But major support can be seen at 20 to 200. On a higher side, 22 800 to 23,000 is a big resistance. So until 23,000 breaks and sustains, I'm not expecting the market to go bullish, and I'm not expecting that to happen by elections also, or until elections are over. So that would be something to be watched at this point of time. So that's it for now. I think not much to be sharing today as of now. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow in the Asian. I mean, how the Asian markets open tomorrow morning, and how Gift Nifty reacts. With more details, we'll discuss about tomorrow morning. About tomorrow in the podcast morning tomorrow, and everything else. Let's see how things goes. And definitely, if you've not invested, I would still say continue to invest. Start investing if you've not done that, because markets will definitely make you rich if you stay in the market. Simple as that. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth signing off until we catch up tomorrow morning with more details. Goodbye. Have a great week ahead.